Hey everyone, it's me Sherry and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to do two unboxings. I have my Ipsy Bag and my BoxyCharm that I'm just going to put in this video. I am going to let you guys know that this is going to be my last video before Vlogmas, and Vlogmas is mostly going to be vlogs. There might be a couple of sit down videos. I'm going to try anyway, but it's mostly going to be vlogs with a couple sit down videos. So yeah, I just wanted to make that announcement. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm, then stay tuned for the video. Okay, so the first is the Ipsy Bag, and it's this like green velvety fluffy stuff. It has the Ipsy logo here and it's red on the inside, like a burgundy color on the inside. The theme for this month is Royal Treatment. And does it say anything about the products? No, it doesn't say anything about the products in there. So there was one thing that was inside the envelope outside the bag, and it was these two sheet masks. So we have Youthful Glow Mangosteen Mask by Glowish, and we have the Peachy Glow Hydrating Mask. So that was the first item. So I like sheet masks, so I'll use them. The next item that I had in here, I'm actually wearing it on my face today. This is a little highlight. I just decided to try it out. This is from Vintage, but it's YC collection. Sorry. The color is Vintage. I'll show you guys what it looks like swatched. Here's what it looks like in the pan. It's not the softest highlight in the world, but it's pretty. It's like a golden color. I'll give it a try for a little while. If I don't like it, I'll just pass it on if I don't find. But it looks okay. It's on my cheeks today. The next product that I have in here I'm also using today. This is from Seraphine Botanicals, and this is the Camellia and Strobe Illuminating Primer. So here's what the outer packaging looks like. And here's what the primer itself looks like. And as I said, I am wearing this today. And I'll show you what the consistency is like. It's just white like that. And then it's like a lotion. It's more like a moisturizer. But it's nice. I like it so far anyway. So I don't know if it's going to really hold on my makeup. But and then the next product that I have in here is a little mini mascara, and this is from the brand Dido. Yeah, Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara from Dido or Ditto or whatever you want to call it. It's a little tiny sample. And then my choice product for the month was the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I actually have this in a full size. It's in my shower now, so it's nice to have a travel size in case we go somewhere so I can use it. So that's everything that I got in my Ipsy bag. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in signing up for Ipsy. I pay about $20 here in Canada with the bag and the shipping and everything. So I know in the US I think it's $13, and I don't think they pay for shipping, but I'm not sure. So, but I'll leave a link down below. Next up is BoxyCharm. So this is my base box, and it's pretty heavy, and I already sneaked a peek inside, so I already know what's in here. So I apologize. Okay, so the theme for this month, I'll leave all BoxyCharm information down below as well. The prices went up on the Luxe and the Premium, but the base box is still $25 a month for Americans. I pay about $40 just because of the exchange rate and everything. So the theme this month is Boxy, invite only. I guess that kind of fits for me for this month because this month was my birthday month, so it's invitation only to my birthday. Anyway, where shall we begin? I'm going to start with my choice item. I got the Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts. This is Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. So I did pick this item. And this retail, I have a card for this so I can see what it retails for. This retails for $40 American. So it's going to be a lot more in Canadian prices. The next product, which is what made the box so heavy, is this. This is the Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. So, I'm going to be taking this stuff out. This is from Glow Oasis. I'm going to be taking these boxes, taking everything out of these boxes anyway, so why not? I'll show you guys what it looks like. It looks like this. It just looks like, actually, it looks like a cup of milk. This retails for $34, which came in handy. It came at a good time because I don't have any toner right now. I'll show you guys what the Kate Somerville lotion or cleanser looks like. It just looks like this. Good size cleanser that'll last me for a while. The next product that I have is from Hey Honey, and this is the Trick and Treat Lip Balm in Berry Balm with natural tint. Okay, so it looks like this, and like I said, I'm unboxing everything as I go because here's what that looks like. And this retails for $23 for a lip balm. Seriously, does it have a scent? It smells like grape. Oh, it's thick. See how thick that is? And it is tinted. It says naturally tinted, so it's probably tinted from the berries that are in there. I can always use a good lip balm, so I'll just add that to my collection. The next product that I have is a mascara, which I'm not going to open right now because I have mascaras on the go and I don't like to open up extra ones if I don't have to. I got to get that lip balm off my hand because if I don't, I'm going to have it all over the place. So, oh, this is the Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. Ooh. I haven't used a tubing mascara since I used, what was the original one? Was it Feel Unique? I don't remember. But anyway, I don't think it was the original one though, because I think one of the drugstore ones had one like way back when. But this retails for $26. So I will take it out of, I'll show you. So there's what the difference is supposed to look like in your lashes. Does it show a picture of the wand anywhere? Because I don't want to open it. No, I'm not going to open it, but I will get rid of the box and just add these with my extra mascaras. I just want to see what the tube looks like. Okay, just pretty basic tube, but maybe I'll open this one and finish my tiny milk one. I don't know. We'll see. And then the last product in here is a palette from Violet Voss. It's the Violet Sunset palette. I don't know what I'm doing with this yet either, so I'm not going to swatch it for you guys, but I'll show it to you guys. I think everybody got this palette in their box. Oh, it's pretty. Maybe I will keep this one. I only have one other Violet Voss palette at the moment, and it's the Care Bears mini one. But this is pretty. It's more neutral. I might keep this, and I might take it. I'm going away next week just for a Christmas party, so I might take this with me. If I like how the formula is, I'll have to try it first. If I don't take this one, I'll probably take my my Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals palette with me. But that is everything that I got in my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm. What have you guys got in your Ipsy and BoxyCharm? Let me know down below. That's if you receive them. Did you guys get the same products as me, or did you get something different? Please leave a comment down below and thumbs up this video if you liked it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell. I tend to upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays. My schedule is going to be a little bit off for the next month, but in the new year it will pick back up to the regular one yet again. But Vlogmas is coming. Yay! So stay tuned for that if you're interested. And I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourself and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye everyone.